In many vintage muscle car restorations, guys are wanting the current model creature comforts. They're wanting the wider tires, the increased suspension, the HVAC. This is an example of a better suspension, a more current model ride, and wider tires. They've increased the size of the wheel wells here, but what that does is it significantly increases the amount of road noise that comes into the interior of this Camaro. HushMat is designed to go over these wheel wells on the trunk floor to eliminate that road noise, to eliminate exhaust drone. I guarantee you this Camaro is going to have an aftermarket exhaust, and that drone comes back inside the car. After 10 minutes of driving, you're ready to pull your hair out. This is a product that will reduce the noise from coming into the interior. It gives you that current model ride with that vintage 73 Camaro look. HushMat reduces noise. It also reduces heat from coming on. If you've got groceries in your trunk and that exhaust sits right over the groceries, this product will insulate for that issue. HushMat, American made, easy to install, you can do it yourself. One last point is there's absolutely no waste with HushMat. Every trim piece, every cut piece, you go ahead and use, save it. Stick it aside. You're always going to have little fit and finish issues if you've done any type of sheet metal modification like these wheel wells. And most of these panels that are inside this 73 Camaro are new panels. They don't match exactly to the old stock production of the Camaro. So you need these trim pieces to fill in and fill in voids where you have sheet metal modification.